So we started off this morning with some coffee. I used the 8 o'clock brand pumpkin spice coffee that I found on clearance at Kroger's. Then afterwards, I made us some apple cinnamon oatmeal with a piece of toast. So I put my toast in the oatmeal and I put Alan's on the side. I prefer my toast dipped in the oatmeal, and I even like spreading the oatmeal on my toast. I think it's delicious that way, but Alan is totally opposite. And this here is my cat Cookie. She is very majestic, as you can see. And then this is my other cat, Kiki. She is also majestic, but doesn't really want to be held like this at the moment, as you can tell. Anyway, so now it's time for me to start doing a little bit of cleaning in here. I've got a lot to do, but I'm starting off by dealing with some of these paparazzi packages first. And then I also got in a new package of mailers for our shipments, and I need to put them away, so I'm also going to be doing that. My apartment has limited storage space, and I think I have too many things stuffed in all of these cabinets, so there wasn't enough room above the icebox, so I'm gonna put the rest of the mailers in the cabinet beside the oven. But it was really funny the other day because I keep all of my recipes and cookbooks down here. The other day we couldn't find cannoli, and we ended up finding her in this cabinet. We don't know how she got in there though. But anyway, I noticed she was eating some of my recipe cards, which is why I'm laughing and showing them to Alan, because I could see that little pieces of the recipe cards were like chewed up, and there was pieces just all over inside the cabinet. So these are the recipe books that I had underneath my cabinet. One is my mom's that my cousin Dolly made her, which I need to return to her. It has a lot of our family recipes in it. And then next is my cookbook that my mom got me, but I only have a couple recipes in it, and I need to finish filling that out. And then I wanted to show you this book. It's a Romney cookbook made by Romney from all over. Our church organization years ago had it made and had like different Romney sent in their recipes, and they made it into a book. So it has tons of recipes and pictures and different things like that, including a picture of yours truly, which I wanted to show you. I thought it was funny. I was about 14 or 15 years old here. So anyways, it's time to start cleaning the kitchen, and I'm not going to be doing a lot of cleaning in today's video, but I wanted to say if you want to see some more cleaning motivation videos, check out my cleaning playlist down below. I'll have it linked for you in the description. You'll find lots of cleaning motivation there. All right, so now that I'm done cleaning the kitchen, this is what the rest of my place is looking like right now, which is as good as it's gonna get. But I did clean my bathroom also, but I just didn't film it. Okay, so I wanted to show you my new non-stick frying pans that I got. These are from Amazon, and I have tons of pots and pans, but they're all colored. They're like blue or pink, and I wanted to get something that would match my kitchen a little bit better. So I got these gorgeous frying pans in this speckled gray design. It came in a set of two, and one is an 8-inch and the other one is an 11-inch, and they both come with lids. They had really good reviews on Amazon. They are aluminum alloy granite. The handles are stainless steel, and they're also compatible with all stoves. They also come in different colors, and they can be used in the oven up to 450 degrees. So I'll have these pans linked down below if you want to check them out. Like I said, I got them from Amazon. I'm going to give them a quick wash, and then I'm going to be testing them out later in the video while I make one of my favoriteest meals. So this recipe I got from HelloFresh. It is absolutely delicious and it's super easy to make. I'm probably not going to be giving you like step-by-step details on this video, but I will have the recipe linked down below in the description with all the details in case you'd like to make it. Okay, so this is the recipe that I'm going to be making. Remember a few minutes ago when I mentioned that cannoli was under the cabinet? This is one of the recipes that she was biting. I guess she thought it looked delicious. But anyway, yeah, this is from HelloFresh. This recipe is actually chicken sausage and spinach ricotta ravioli with tomato and lemon. So what I'm going to be making is similar. I'm just going to be doing it slightly different because I couldn't find chicken sausage, and I also didn't purchase spinach ricotta ravioli. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have the recipe linked down below so you can see all the details, but I'm still gonna show you how I'm gonna be making it. So like I said, this recipe is really easy to make, and this is all of the ingredients that you're gonna need to make it. The recipe calls for chicken sausage, but I couldn't find it, so I just got Italian sausage. And then you're also gonna need some ravioli. The recipe also calls for chicken stock concentrate, which I highly recommend, but I didn't get any that day when I went grocery shopping. I just got some of this chicken stock broth instead, but the concentrate is way better if you're gonna make this recipe. Then you're gonna need some sour cream, some green onions, tomatoes, lemons, and then the seasonings I'm gonna be using is salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasonings. So like I said, I'm not going to be telling you guys step by step how I'm making this. I'm just showing you a little bit of footage. So I am cutting up my vegetables first, and then I'll start cooking. So this meal turned out absolutely delicious as always, and I just want to say that I absolutely love my new pans. I thoroughly enjoyed cooking in them, and cleaning them was a breeze. Because they're non-stick, it literally took me no effort at all to clean them. Like I said, I got them from Amazon, so if you want to check them out, they will be linked down below. Also, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.